It's a two. I still continue with 2 years. I'm working with do the blueprints for this house to make it bigger.
Because you're the
What's
only
the
one
problem?
who makes your noise.
Yes, but I pay for everything. You know, I pay.
Yeah,
to the
but
city.
that's not the. You have to think about your neighbors.
Okay, call to the.
David, that's not only me. A lot of neighbors are like really
I don't
pissed.
care. You know.
You
and
don't
also,
care. That's the
you need
problem.
to. I do everything. Go in the
Well,
city.
you wake me up. You wake me up. You have parties till like 12:30 a.m. every week almost.
Okay.
And my window is
Okay.
right in front of your house.
Hold on.
This is not just the roots. It's even the back house, the front house. You have always workers here. There's always like people on the property. So people, it's like, this is a residential area.
That's the reason, not like.
But you have a business. You have like
Where's the
more,
business?
your construction business.
Yes, but
You
it's
have a
not
business.
construction. It's my
Of
house.
course, this is construction.
Yes,
There's
it's
construction.
construction.
There's construction. Constant. It's never
I
stopping.
had a permit for 2 years.
You spray paint tiles like a corporate business. You polluted all the air. I talked to your workers. That was 3 months you polluted the air. My birds died because of you. He had toxic. I couldn't come out. I came out with him. He got toxic. He died because of you.
Mama.
Because birds are very sensitive.
Go to the city.
I will.
Okay.
I will. Not only city, but everybody else. I'm going to stop this. This is the neighbor having a nice So, this is the neighbor the next day. They still have the bouncing house. My window. Bedroom window. There you are, out in the rain. Do you have a house? Do you have a house? No house? You out in the rain?